Marion Manufacturing Step Flashing Line. The integrated PA Industries decoiler feeds steel to the entry station. The entry station keeps the material straight while conditioning the strip as it feeds into the flywheel press. The two-stage die first forms the 90-degree angle, then shears off the correct length, leaving the part to free fall onto the stack. The programmable rotary stacker allows for automated collection of parts into easy-to-handle bundles. As each bundle reaches the pre-designated number, the rotary stacker advances to the next stack. Equipped with variable speed, step flashing lines can deliver over 100 parts per minute. With a maximum strip width of 10 inches, the line will produce from a 2x2 to a 5x5, 90-degree flashing, as well as offset and flat shingle flashing. With a Marion Manufacturing Step Flashing Line, it's easy to make an impact in today's construction roll-forming world.